This is the Healthentia app. After logging in, you can see if you have pending questionnaires. A pending questionnaire could be your daily COVID assessment with multiple choice or single choice, or emoticon scales, body map scales. Questionnaires are customized per needs. On the dashboard, you can add more symptoms like your fever and see the progression charts and follow up on that. All the symptoms are in the home page. You can see like oxygen saturation. You can see the different functions from the bottom bar, like the message function. You can add symptoms at any time during the day or during the week. Again, these are the same questionnaires that you can find on the home page. Following that is the health diary. You can see what you have put every day, so you can follow up on that with details on your input, and the activity bar, where you can see all your data that you have collected from the sensors, either a Fitbit sensor or Apple Health, depending on your device. This is from the menu. This is where you can set it up. And also in the menu you can find a chatbot communication for technical support for the application or for the COVID questionnaire. From the menu again, a help, you can go back and see what these different functions are doing. But what's great with this application is that if you are a doctor, you can easily use it as well as for your following your symptoms, for following your subjects, your patients in the hospital. So you can add the symptom for another user. You can answer his COVID assessment when you have him in front of you and ask him questions and like birth date, or this is another example of different type of questions. So it works in a sense as an NICOA, so like a clinical outcome assessment tool. You can add all the information for the patient and return through the menu to your own mode of user at the end of the session. We're entering into the back end of the Healthentia platform, where you can see your trials and a dashboard with a heat map. You can select gender and all the filters related to the questions, and you can see the population interactively changing on the map. You can also see different dashboards on related to the trial. So next is the subject list. You can have different tags showing and entering in the details, questionnaires, reported, see which ones they have answered and what are pending. These are the different tags that can be used, and this is how we can recruit patients, like from a list that we have. You can select and send them questionnaires. In this way, select the questionnaire, select the patient you want to send it, and press send. You can also schedule a notification, like to go daily, weekly, and in the same process attach a questionnaire depending on the date and the recurrence that you wish to add. Following that, we can see the different questions and question options. You can have different language settings, and you can select a different routing if question wants to have different answers depending on the question option. This is where to do it for different options, and so on.